In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer a GoDaddy domain to AWS Route 53. Transferring a domain name can seem like a daunting task, but with these easy instructions, you'll accomplish it with ease. The first move we must take is to unlock the domain. Begin by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the list of domains you have registered. From the list that appears, locate the domain name you plan to transfer and make sure it is unlocked. Domain locking is a security feature that prevents unauthorized transfers, so we need to disable this to allow our transfer to go through. Next, we should be complying with disabling domain privacy. If your domain privacy settings are enabled, they can block the transfer process. To avoid hassles, it is better to simply turn off any domain privacy settings. Upon completion of the domain unlock and privacy disablement, our next focus is obtaining the authorization code. Different from the transfer password, the authorization code is also referred to as an EPP code. Find this crucial code in the Transfer Out section of your GoDaddy account and make a copy. This code will be necessary for us to complete the transfer process. With the obtained authorization code, we can now shift our focus to Route 53. At this waypoint, sign in to your AWS Management Console and proceed to the Route 53 service. AWS Route 53 is a scalable and highly available domain name system service from Amazon Web Services, which we will employ for the transfer. Once we're in Route 53, we need to signal the start of the transfer process. To do this, click on Registered Domains, then click on Transfer Domain. This will provide us with a transfer initiation dialog box to proceed. Here we make use of the copied authorization code. You'll be prompted to enter the domain name you are transferring, so go ahead and key that in. Then proceed to paste in the authorization code you copied from GoDaddy. At this point, we are now ready to confirm and proceed with the transfer request. In the AWS console, confirm the transfer request. There's a chance you might be asked to validate the transfer request in the email address associated with your GoDaddy account. Finally, to take final forward strides, go back to GoDaddy again. In your account, navigate to the Transfers Out page and approve the transfer request. This will speed up the entire process, and in no time, you're done. Your GoDaddy domain has successfully been transferred to AWS Route 53. With this tutorial, the seemingly daunting task of transferring a domain from GoDaddy to Route 53 should now be simplified and easy to follow. Understanding the importance of each step, you have managed to successfully navigate from GoDaddy to AWS Route 53, unlocking, disabling, copying codes, and confirming requests, all the while ensuring that you remained in full control